We are going through my Thredup thrift finds today. Hello and welcome back to the Ramen Co. I'm Rebecca, and on this channel we talk all things style and fashion. Things like thrift finds, upcycling, outfit ideas, style inspiration, trends, all that goodness. So if that sounds like something you like, please hit that subscribe button and follow along. Today we are unboxing my Thredup thrift order. We're gonna go through each piece. I'm gonna style it. I'm gonna see whether I'm gonna keep it or if I'm gonna return it. So let's get to it. Let's open these boxes. Opening box number 1. Okay, first item is this red cardigan from J. Crew. So first thing I like to do is I like to investigate to see if there's any holes. I've been tricked before by these cardigans from J. Crew when I got them at Thredup. There's sometimes these little tiny holes, but just instantly, I love the color. It looks like it's in really good shape. It feels really nice. I wasn't sure about the length of this cardigan, so I'm going to try it and style it and see how this goes, but loving this. Item number 2, another cardigan. So this one also from J. Crew. I've been just so in love with cardigans lately. And I used to have a ton of them and I used to wear them all the time, but for some reason, you know, it's just, I'm feeling it. You know, I don't know if it's like that library core vibe or really inspired by Miu Miu's fall show, because I just had these really cute cardigans and these pencil skirts. So you're probably going to see a little bit of that in these boxes. But again, searching for quality, just making sure that there's no holes in it. But yeah, loving it. Also feels really nice. So loving this one too. This next piece, I'm like, I hope it works out. I'm really obsessed about it. So it was this graphic t-shirt and it says, I just want pizza. Pizza understands me. Look at that. That's so great. I love a good graphic tee and it looks like it's a good size. This was like the thing I'm most excited about. Looks like this tag is from the Real and it says pre-owned. So interesting. Okay, I'm so excited for this one. There's so many possibilities with a graphic t-shirt. Apparently I went overboard on the cardigans. I got this burgundy cardigan also from J. Crew. Again, gonna inspect it for holes, but love the color. Yeah, I definitely think I may have gone overboard on the cardigans, but again, they're just such a great layering piece. They're easy to style. So loving this one too, loving the color. It feels really good. This next one is a plaid shirt. I actually thought it was going to be a little more flannel. It's from J. Crew as well. J. Crew and I are vibing. I was just really hoping for something a little more flannel, but this might do. I'm gonna style it, see how it goes. Sometimes you can never tell about the fabric. I believe Thredup does list the fabric on there. Maybe I just wasn't paying attention. But I do like the style. I do like the color. I do love the plaid. So I'm gonna style this and see how this goes. Okay, so this obviously is not for winter, but these Levi denim cutoff shorts. I love the length of them, so that's what really drew me in, as I was looking for a longer length in shorts. I was just really feeling that. So these hopefully will fit and be good for summer. What's nice is that I know my size in Levi's, so I'm really hoping that these work out, because again, I just love that length. And I will tell you, if you're thrifting shorts, definitely look at Thredup. If you love cutoff Levi denim shorts, definitely check out Thredup, because there are so many there. Again, this is not sponsored. This is just me sharing my thrifting shopping tips. Okay, the pile's falling over. Just gonna put the pile right here. Okay, so I wasn't sure on these. These are mango slacks. I like the idea because I work from home. So I like the idea of wearing slacks. I wear jeans a lot, but I was thinking slacks might be a little more interesting, you know, try to mix it up a little bit. So I'll try these on, but these I was, you know, I got thinking maybe. Box number 2. Okay. So when I said that I was really vibing with Miu Miu's fall show with the cardigans and the pencil skirts, yeah. Here's a pencil skirt. I don't even, oh, here we go. Here you go. Here's the pencil skirt. I'm not quite sure this one's gonna fit. This is J. Crew size 4, so it should. I do really like the texture on here, and one thing I'm really loving right now is this light gray. I don't know why, but I'm loving this light gray. I'm loving navy, and I'm loving red. Those are like the colors I'm really feeling right now. But this gray and red, oof, chef's kiss. So I like this. It might be a little long, but I'm also very good at altering things. Oh, and you know what? It has pockets. Does it have pockets? It does have pockets. Okay, well, it has one pocket. Interesting. I don't know. I'll have to try it on and see, but yes, it looks like it has one pocket. I don't understand that, but okay. So this is another skirt. I really liked the A-line piece of it, but it had some stylistic question marks on here for me. Oh, it's from Banana Republic, and there's like a slit in front and one in back, and it's got this kind of asymmetrical seam. I don't know if you can see it. This asymmetrical seam on it. So I don't know. We're gonna try this on. We're gonna see. But I'm definitely feeling the midi skirts, and I'm loving the texture. So you are not gonna believe this, but it is another cardigan. Yes, another cardigan. This one's from Banana Republic. Again, just absolutely obsessing with this gray color. It's just a light gray. I'm loving it right now. So this one has some interesting detail on it to make it a little different. And you can see, but there's like this seam here for just a little bit of texture. So I'm going to try this on. Also inspect it for holes. Last piece is this crew neck sweatshirt with après ski on it, and it looks like some bubbly. Yeah, it's from J. Crew, size small. I love a good crew neck sweatshirt. It's perfect for layering. Also interesting. Does look a little big. It is a small. So we'll see. I'm also interested in could upcycle this. So make it a little more cropped, take it in a little bit on the sides, but I'm gonna try it on. We'll see how it goes. I may keep it, I may return it, I may keep it for upcycling. That is it. Thank you so much for following along all the way to the end. Let me know in the comments which piece was your favorite. If you would keep or return any of the pieces, I'm very interested. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I truly appreciate the support. You can also find me on Instagram and TikTok at therealm.co. I generally post similar videos, but if you follow along in my stories, I'm usually sharing a little bit more about just everyday life with me and some of the projects that I'm working on. And until next time, wear what you love.